He's stuck under that log. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. You got a fish too? Doubled up. All right, y'all. Well, as you can see, we're driving through a field. We are following a side by side. I'm here with Kelvin. It's a rainy day, and we're gonna try to do some fishing at a private pond. So this is a pond that I've never been to before. Who are we following?
I wasn't gonna say any names.
Oh, that's fine. So we're following somebody else down here, and it's got access to the property here. And we're gonna see if we can catch ourselves some fish. There's some big crappie and whatnot down here. It's a cold day, it's like 40 degrees, and it's raining. And we're just gonna see what happens. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see how this one turns out.
Stay parked up here.
I'll just park it up here. That way I don't tear it up too much.
It's up to you. It's fine.
Got my range here anyway. All right. Well, they wouldn't be able to turn around over there either. Well, guys, we made it. My truck is a little bit dirty, but there is the lake. Kelvin and homies down over there fishing already, and they've already caught a couple. I'm getting my stuff set up, but here we are. Nice private lake, way back in a field. My super dirty truck, but I'm gonna get my rods rigged up. We've got some worms. I've got just some regular baits, plastics and whatnot, and we'll catch ourselves a fish, y'all. Stay tuned. Well, in the habit of just doing what I've got with what I already have tied on, I'm going to start with this, and if I don't catch anything fairly quick, we'll move on to some worms that I've got sitting up there. Try once this direction. Go over to the dam. It is a little breezy out here, and I did, of course, forget my wind cover for the GoPro, so my bad on that, y'all. Nope. Anything hanging out down here? No, that's super shallow. All right. All right, there we go. Worm, split shot, and a bobber. Ooh. Something got it. There we go. Got a fish. Nice bluegill. Oh, buddy, that's a big gill. That's a tank bluegill. Well, this dude is hanging right off a little weed line. I'm tossed back in there. He's got a little dent in him, but that's a big bluegill. All right, back in the water. Oh, all right. Made it around to the other side.
Glad you could join me.
Yeah, you're over here hammering them. I've got a couple big gills, but that's it. Get another one? There we go, Kelvin's on. Looks like a little bass maybe. Yeah, nice bass. Come on, Kelvin. There we go.
Not a monster by any means. But
It's good fish though. Ooh, ooh,
oh, there
ooh.
you go.
I got one. There we go.
Oh, that's
That's a
nice
big crappie.
Big crappie. Come over here if you want. Lower the ground.
That might be an MA.
Oh yeah.
That might be an MA. Holy crap, that's a tank. He's got that hook in.
That's got really nice colors on it too.
Yeah. I think they're pretty close to spawn.
Yeah, they gotta be. It's still a little cold, but they gotta be close.
Man, that's a chunk, dude.
Oh yeah, it is. You take your camera and hold it, or?
Let's see what he measures out to. 13. 13. All right, y'all. There's solid crappie, the first one of the day. So I've got a couple gills, and now this crappie, man, it'd be a good eater. And we're welcome to keep fish out of here, but I don't really plan to keep anything today. We'll maybe save these for the next time. So we're gonna get this guy tossed back in the water quick.
Right down here. Oh yeah.
Gotta get the instas.
Oh yeah.
Do
Ready? Here, smile. There you go. Hell yeah.
Picture. All right, well, we'll toss him back down there. And there's no good way to get down to this.
No, there's not. Let's not break our leg.
Yeah, that's the big issue.
Got it?
Yep. All right, back off into the sea you go, bud. He's out of here. Hell yeah, Kelvin. Thanks for the invite today. I'm gonna try this without the bobber. Just do a little casting, see what happens since I have a jig head on now. There we go, got one. That's a good one. I think it's a bass. Yeah. He's pulling good in this ultralight. Don't get wrapped up. Oh no. No, no, no. Come back this way, bud. Come back this way. There we go. There we go. Come back this way. There we go. Right in the top of the mouth. Come here. Bam. There we go. Not a monster by any means, but
The trifecta has been complete.
the trifecta, yeah. I completed the trifecta. Couple gills, nice crappie, and a little bass, dude, and he got hooked pretty good. Give me that hook back. There we go, y'all. Like I said, nothing monster. A little bigger than the crappie, probably a 15-inch bass. But get this guy back in the water. Successful day of fishing. And he's gone. Hell yeah. Dang it. Stupid log. And I lost it. Sweet. All right, guys. We're re-rigged. Put the bobber back on. And we'll see what happens. See if it pulls my bobber under again. Oh, it's not bad. Got 11% on my battery. Am I on? I'm on. There we go. That's a big gill. Man, they're so aggressive. I've never seen bluegills jump like that. Bam. First cast, new rig. And hammer a fat gill. Like I'm telling you guys, it's hard to find gills this big in your average city pond these days. That's thick too. Like he's almost 3 fingers thick. Just aggressive and jumping out of the water just like a bass would do. But toss him back. See you later, bud. Can you just toss me one of those buckets of worms? I'll try to catch it.
Ready?
Yep.
This little black thing pops out, and maybe that's kind of the purpose of that for a bobber stop. I don't know.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Either. We're gonna give her a whirl though.
Oh, dumped them on my foot. Oh, dumped them all out. Get back in your hole, worms.
Good thing they can't throw away. Oh, I did have a bobber stop on here.
Kelvin, what are you doing?
So I've got obviously this one.
Okay.
Two more ponds I have access to.
Let's see if we can do this again before the battery dies. I got 7% on this battery. I don't have another battery with me, guys. It's way over back at the truck.
You got your phone, right?
I do, yeah. Should. Why did I put my backpack on? Dummy. All right, guys, I got another one on. I had the camera shut off because didn't want to lose the battery. That's a good fish, whatever it is. I think it's a bass. Yep. No, don't go under there. Come on. No. Swim out.
Hey, can you hear me?
Oh, come on.
Over here, Mike. Yeah, we're taking off here.
Dang.
You just seen where I was at or what the?
Come on. Come out.
Yeah, we said that.
He's stuck under that log. Come on. There we go. There we go.
No, I can get him. It's fine unless you want to. I got one too, Mike.
There we go. You got a fish too? Doubled up.
Yeah, if you want, go ahead and get him. If not, come on.
Bam. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Chubby boy.
It's fine. If you want to get him, it's fine.
2% left
I'll be there before 6.
on the camera here.
Unless you want to get him.
Well, Kelvin's got one.
Dude, this thing's a chunk.
I got one. We doubled up. I mean, yeah, look at the size of the bass compared to the size of that guy. Like, those are big bluegill, y'all.
Yeah, they are.
Well, guys, we're hammering them, but my camera battery on my chest mount's about to die, and I think we're gonna get headed out of here shortly. So we're gonna get these guys tossed back in the water, but it's been a great day out here fishing with Kelvin.
This is just proof to me. I don't like fishing when it's bad weather, but this is just proof it works.
It's working for sure. All right, let it go.
I didn't even feel him hit. I just started reeling it in because we were gonna go and
Just
big
hammered
old
it.
chunk on there. Well, hell yeah, I'll take it.
All right, let's get this. We'll get this chubby boy back in the water. See you later, bud.
Hell yeah.
And he's gone. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again to Kelvin back there for the invite, and thanks again to Mr. Anonymous for letting us come down to his pond. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit. Hell yeah.